welcome to my channel. Do you know what happened in today's morning? It's very interesting. Well, I was writing 1000 line of code for an application that my client wants, but when I try to run it, the compiler shows an error by telling that you have undefined and the word you have written in 27 line is wrong. And the compiler don't understand it because I have written it in wrong way. The rule says of compiler that you have to write your keyword in lowercase. Now, in today's video, you will be learning about the keyword in programming. Hi, I'm Tanvir from Code Monster. I'll be talking about this topic after the intro. So please stay with me. Let's talk about the main topics, and the topic is about programming keywords. A keyword is one kind of magical word that was predefined when the programming language was built, and for that reason we can't change the keywords. And every keyword contains a special type of meanings for the compiler to do certain things. We can't use this kind of word as identifier because of its programming syntax. And also for the reason of case sensitivity, we can't write this kind of keyword in upper or capitalized. We need to write this kind of keyword in lowercase. There are various type of keyword, but the popular one are int, string, and boolean. You can see in the picture there are more keywords in here. Please write this keyword in your note that it may help you in future. Pause my video and write it down if you need it. Let's show you an example that how we write our keyword. In here you can see int. This int is one kind of keyword. This int is one kind of keyword. For the case sensitivity, if we write our keyword in uppercase, the compiler won't be able to understand it and it will show an error. So we need to write it in lowercase. That is all you need to know about keywords. Now you have learned about the programming keywords. In next video, I'll be talking about identifier. So if you like my video, please share with your friends and destroy the like button. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will inspire me to make more video for you. Yeah, I also forgot to mention that I have provided some question in the description box. Please check them and answer them in your comment section that you understand that you're learning something new. I hope to see you next week. Sayonara.